Can you hear me now? Let me know, please, if you're able to hear me. Yes, the sound is back. What's happening with Bitcoin, man? What is happening with Bitcoin? Crazy, crazy, crazy. So I posted a chart on the Patreon about Bitcoin and on my Twitter, right? So I'll tell you what I expect, okay? Simple. Excuse me. So I do expect it to spend some time, just a little time here, probably in the next few days to 38 some change. Spend a few days there and then go up, hit 40. Once it hits 40 some change, I think expect a small size dump, 5-6% dump, hang around in 40, because a lot of people call for a 40 dump, and then probably go hit 42. Hit 42 and then the big dump comes. Well, I'll let you know the numbers for the dump later on, but let's this is what I'm expecting, between 40 to 42. That's the price I'm expecting. And man, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. All the bears are gonna get fucked deep. How are you? How's everyone, man? No label, sub brother, Jat B, hi ShrayTV, Zabur Maroof. How are you, brother? Jat B, I drew a fib level on long scale on log chart for BTC 0.66 41.4K and 61.8. From 6900 fib level 15.4. Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Just look at the chart, bro. Don't go heavy. Don't go heavy on people. Jat. Yeah, 77, between 74 to 77 is the target for a big brother Bitcoin. Raj, Luna Classic, pumping. Can't hear. Now you're able to hear. How are you, Shray? Good. Hardik. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shray, and you are watching ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. No label. Mauricio. Big boy crypto. LOL. Okay. Samuel. Okay, let's get back to business. So, as I mentioned, 38.5 should come soon, and we should hang around for a few days there and then go up to $40,000. Yes, $40,000 is coming sooner than people think. This is a 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. What else? So what else is pumping? Look at that FTX, boy. FTX is pumping like crazy. Hey, we picked the bottom for FTX on our Patreon right there. You see, July 7th, FTX. High risk, high reward, long-term asset. I know no one believes in it after what happened. That's the reason I'm bullish. Narrative is negative right now, but people's opinion can change with new marketing campaign. Here, look at that. Here, this is the range we are going next. But anyways, let's see FTX, how good of the pump it is.
Bitch, please call me, Nana, I don't wanna win the war.
Wow.
Bitch, please call me, Nana,
What a pump. What a pump. Yeah, almost 165% pump. That's what happens. This thing is going to almost this level, man. Here, what did the level I mentioned here? It's going between $5 to $8. $5 to $8. It's not going to stop. And it's going to be quick. Once it goes there, it's going to waste some time there. Raj Patel. Oh man, Shray, your predictions. Yeah, thank you, brother. Hardik, Velo is pumping. Yes, Hardik, Sivsani, Velo, we mentioned. Bro, everything's gonna pump. It's a pump season. It's Diwali. For my Indian friends, happy Diwali. Namaste, namaste, Jai Shri Krishna. And happy Diwali tamne. Guys, jo north mein unko happy Diwali. Wish you all the happiness. It's New Year's. It's happy Diwali. It's like Christmas for Indian people. And these next 2 days are very auspicious. Next 2-3 days are very auspicious days for Indian people. Today is Dhanteras. That means it's a day for money. So obviously the market is pumping because there are about 157 million people in India who own crypto. So it's a good day. Next 2-3 days will be good days because it's Diwali and then after comes New Year's. Okay, so crypto will be pumping. Don't be surprised if crypto pumps like a MF. Happy Diwali.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know, bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war, win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
What's up with the Soul and Link? Okay, let's see what else is pumping. Voyager token, VGX, both bogus exchanges are pumping. Jasmy, if you look at Jasmy, we just mentioned about Jasmy 2 days ago, right? We called Jasmy that is gonna pump. Look at that, Jasmy's pumping. Jasmy's pumping. What I'm excited about is this. I'm waiting. This thing's gonna pump like a MF. Big candle. Expect a huge candle coming for Zilica. Bro, that candle will be a long ass candle, okay? For Zilica. When that thing starts to pump, oh boy, this is the level that I'm going for. This level here. Bro, that's 20 cents. It has to go a long way. It's at 2 cents right now. Between 20 cents to... Look at that. That's a nice juicy 10x. Bro, 10x. Yep. And it'll be one of the quickest 10x, I feel. One of the quickest in the industry. When that thing starts to move, I have seen Zilica move. It pumps. Okay, it just goes vertical like that. See how it went up. We have seen this pump. We have seen this pump. And we were shocked. I was like, how can this happen? Look at how Zilica is moving right now. It's in this sort of channel. Creating right now, right? For upwards. Doing something exactly similar. Let's do a 4 hourly, so you know. It's doing exact pattern. You see this, what happened here? It was in this channel, broke out of the channel, and boom. Boom, baby, boom. So, don't expect anything different this time. Because it's making the same pattern. And I'm bullish on the market. Very, very bullish. Look at that. Zilica right now. What's happening? It's creating the same channel. right? Look at that. Boy, oh boy, when it breaks this channel. Oh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Fireworks. Zabur Maruf, thanks for the $5, brother. Shrey, show me the next levels for RSR. It gets me excited. LOL. Thanks, Shrey. Also, when you think we get a sizable correction, bro. Zabur, remember, you used to be really bearish. And I used to say, bro, we are going to 35. We are going to 35. And you were like a nervous wreck. You were a nervous wreck. I told you that we were going to 35. Now I'm telling you, we're going to 40, between 40 to 42. Once we hit 40 to 42, expect a big dump. And that dump will not last long. Okay? That dump will not last long. It'll be a quick dump, quick recovery, boom, back again. But those levels will be on the Patreon. I've already put those levels on the Patreon. I put a chart for Bitcoin right here on my Twitter, but I didn't put here. See, this was the chart. We were 36 something here, right? And the same thing, you know, 40 to 42. That's the range I'm looking for Bitcoin. After that, expect a dump. Expect a correction from there. You were saying RSR, right? Look at the pump, bro. We mentioned about this pump, right? Wow, look at the scam candle, bro. Look at that. Look at the scam candle. Remember, this was the chart I shared with you. This is where we are going next, bro. 0.007 to 0.009 is the range. Okay? You could go a little higher than that. You know, 0.001 pushing it. But then after that, expect a correction. Okay, this is the full chart for RSR. Look at that scam wick, man. Not all charts show that. But this gets done to remove, you know. Sometimes what happens is the charts are asking for this dump, right? You as a technical analyst, you'd be like, okay, what if we, you know, this is the level that you're expecting it to go, right? Asking for, saying that this is the channel we have so far witnessed, and this would be the range where we would go. And this motherfucker went there. It went there. And nobody even noticed, right? Look at that. Right. Because it touched it, now I think we are going up. So these scam wicks mean stuff, okay? It's not just there for, you know, but nobody noticed. Have you noticed the price drop to this level? No. But it's there. So something happened to RSR a few days ago where it dropped. Look at the candle. Crazy. It has happened to many crypto. Many crypto. This happens. So people who are bears, okay, I'm not saying they're bad, but they should be aware of these things. That, okay, man, the wick went to my level that I was expecting. The dump, it's already gone and done. So why are you bearish? Yep. I learned this the hard way. By the way, I was like that at one stage. Okay? That, man, the price is supposed to go down here. What is happening? But these motherfuckers, what they do is just scam wick to that level and go up, right? On some exchange that you don't even know. like one crypto is on like several exchanges, and they would do a scam wick on one exchange. Boom. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, RSR, this is the level, okay? 0.007, 0.009, bro. Nothing has changed. And as I said, it'll be a quick pump. See, it started to pump, bro. Look at that. Any day you could expect, this thing, a huge, in few days, you could reach this level. Okay, RSR, expect at least between 250, I would say between 200 to 250% pump for RSR. Hardik Savsani, XRP, Shray by Charles ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. How are you? Finally caught your live stream. Elon. Okay. I will do all those coins, but as mentioned in the live stream, what were the coins I mentioned in my title of the video was, okay, let me go over Bitcoin Cash first, see what is happening. I've mentioned in previous videos of what do I expect for Bitcoin Cash. We have created a lower low in Bitcoin Cash, okay? Guys, this is Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. This is the most important chart, okay? I'm not worried about Bitcoin Cash chart against dollar. This is the chart that I'm looking at. So what do I expect? If you look at my previous videos, we mentioned that expect once we go below this previous low, this is when I get bullish for Bitcoin Cash, right? So I do expect us to go up like this. Let me go on weekly. And shut this music off so you know what we are dealing with. Okay, here. My last live was here. What did we say about Bitcoin Cash?
Trading at Schwab is now powered by Ameritrade, unlocking the power of think or swim.
I expect a pump from here on in Bitcoin Cash because the chart against Bitcoin is bullish. I do expect us to pump to at least this level right here. At least to this level, between this and that level right here.
I need a rooftop for
okay, this is the level I'm expecting the pump to in Bitcoin Cash.
There it is.
How long it's going to take? Well, it'll take a few days, but I expect something like this. Us going up to this level and then expect us to spend some time here before the dump. Zilica is going to go up. This is the video where we mention about Bitcoin Cash. As I mentioned here, look at this chart and look at this chart, Bitcoin Cash chart right here. This was the chart. Look at that. We came exactly to $330 and stopped. $330 exact, and got a pullback. Okay, so predicted the bottom right here at $101. And I called the bottom and the next level where we are going to pump. I called the bottom, and after calling the bottom, I mentioned where we were going to pump. Exact price. This is the price that I'm looking for next for Bitcoin Cash. And I do believe that Bitcoin Cash, I think, has formed a nice bottom. we got a double bottom here, right? I don't think we are going any lower. Price was $101. So from $101, this pump to 300 was predicted, right? Let's look at the inverted chart for Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to make a short video for Bitcoin Cash. How is everyone? Man, it's been such a boring time. Look at this freaking boring phase right here. It's so frustrating, but not for long. Not once we stop here, I expect a sharp pullback. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin Cash. Okay, see what happened. See exactly. Look at my previous videos and you'll know. Okay, I won't spend much time here, but Bitcoin Cash here. So the bottom was predicted and the pump here to 230 was predicted. From there, I do expect us to go to this level right here. I don't know what the price of Bitcoin will be during this time of this pump. So I'm ranging the dollar price between, I would say, $290 to $300 to $310. This is when I get bearish. This is the Bitcoin chart against dollar. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, I expect a pump between $290 right here to $315, $315. Will come very close to the previous all-time high. Not literally, but you know, expect something like this to happen to Bitcoin Cash. And then the dump starts. Okay. The dump starts like that. Okay. Once we come here, probably somewhere in November end or December. I don't know how long it's going to take. It could be an overnight candle that goes to 290, right? But this is where the bearishness starts for Bitcoin Cash. Okay. This is where we start coming down. And there will be some sort of crash which would push the price like that, okay? Where we would go somewhere between $160 to $130. That's what I expect. A huge crash for Bitcoin Cash coming. Okay, so that means there will be a crash for other cryptos as well. Okay, so until now, from now until December, I am very bullish. Okay, but something happens in Jan or Feb. Maybe December, something happens, right? Where we start crashing. Okay, in first quarter, this is Jan, Feb. There's a big crash comes in Jan or Feb. So be prepared mentally for that. Until then, I am very bullish, very bullish. That'll be a great opportunity to trade. You know, I'm trading at this range, okay? Guys, nothing on the channel is financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves crypto, and my crypto bros, you right there, brother. I love you, okay? We are gonna be rich motherfuckers, okay? Rich. We waited for a long time, okay? All this patience will pay off. Let's hit the music, okay? No more self-loathing. I just wanted to let you know there are a lot of new people joining the YouTube and Patreon every day. It's been crazy. You know, so that's why I've been busy, man. I was working till 10 a.m. Then I went to bed. Somewhere, you know, I need another hour to do nothing before I sleep. So I slept around 11 and I woke up at 5. But here I am, back again. No label. Anything new for this week? On Augur, any changes? Can you check for me, brother? Sure, brother. I have my eyes on Augur, brother. I just looked at it yesterday. As I said, the RSI, until the RSI, the weekly RSI, it does not reach this level. I'm not going to touch my Augur for any trade. No trading activity. I said, because Augur has to spend a lot of time, bro. You see this circle I made. Augur has to spend a lot of time before the pump. The final pump is going to be in 2024 August. Okay, so from May of 2024, from May to August, that's the perfect time. This is where all our dreams are going to come to reality. But it's possible almost till the end. This might not pump until May, June. It could waste time, right? It could waste time because it has to come down, create a double bottom. So it has a lot of time. So, you know, expect an arc. Expect an arc like this in Augur. You know, sometimes you buy crypto and forget about it. You don't look at it until it reaches our number. It's going to create an arc like this. So how I see the price move is like this. I see the price move like that. Come back down, you know, create a double bottom and come up and down, and before, you know, we start pumping like that. Crazy. It'll be vertical. When this pumps, it'll be vertical pump. Vertical. No chance for nobody. But how far are we going to pump here? I cannot be precise on that. That depends on the RSI. I told you before. How far Augur is going to pump, that's going to depend on the weekly RSI. When the weekly RSI starts crawling to these levels, right? Once it comes to this level, this is when I'll know that it's time to take some money off the table, because I do expect a double bottom. Probably maybe the wick could go a little lower than this previous level. Okay, wick could go a little lower than previous level, but I don't take a chance. You know, when we come closer, I start buying right here. From this range, I would start buying right here. This would be the range that I would start buying right there. Okay, because I think it's gonna spend quite a bit time in this range. It would feel like, you know, when it's going up, it would feel like, oh my God, it's going up, but it'll come back down. You know, we have a lot of time. We have to waste time. But yeah, it'll be crazy. It'll be a crazy journey. So just relax. You know, what I do is I bought this and I forget about it. I don't even look at it. So every now and then I see, because this RSI is going to take a little while to come to this extent, right? So when that happens, I'll know. You know, the charts will say when it's pumping. You will tell me. We go live every day so we can keep a focus on the market. Okay. Hello from UK, Charles. Sure, no label. XRP, what is happening to XRP, our friend? The swell. See, man, I showed you my real targets, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, these are my targets, okay? This is where I expect. I shouldn't be. This was a little secret, okay? But I'll tell you. These are my targets for XRP. XRP could pump from here to this level, okay? We would spend some time. I feel we would spend some time right here in this range. Here. Few days we could spend between $1.62, $1.50. Here, this range, we could spend some time. You could make another box here. Make another box here. Because we could spend some time here, right there. Before we go up, these are my final numbers between, I would say, $2.50 to $3.25. Yes, we would come very close to the all-time high. Come very close. What would be the exact number? I don't know. We could go as far as 230, you know, 233. But this is where, you know, I would take some profits right here before coming very close to the all-time high. And then I expect a dump to these levels, coming back between, I would say, 142 to 130. You know, even as close as 120. Okay, between 140 to 120. That's the range we would come back to before pumping up higher. I expect XRP to go between $8 to $14. $8 to $14 for XRP, baby. Charles. Okay, let me see what my other people If I miss any of your requests who are regulars, guys, make sure to hit that like. Oh man, you are so awesome. Everyone has hit the likes. Oh, you're beautiful. You're amazing. That's my people. These are my people. These are my friends. See, I always tell people, you know, if you are having problems, having good friends, okay? There's a whole world. It's very easy to make new friends, okay? Now, and people who think the same way and people who are cheering for you. Because what happens sometimes is your childhood friends you hang out with because they have seen you grow up together. Okay, I love my childhood friends. But some of them, you know, if they're not growing, right? And it's just human nature. Sometimes, you know, you have friends who are like frenemies. They get, you know, jealous from what's happening. Man, you make money, I am happy. Any of my friends make money, I'm really happy because I want to have strong friends. I want to have the support system that is close to me, very strong. And when they are affluent, I feel happy. It's the other way around. Sometimes, you know, so sometimes you have to leave those kind of people behind who are frenemies, right? And make new friends who are like-minded, who are cheering for you, who are happy when you make a good trade, who are happy when you become rich, right? Because you guys are going to become rich, okay? Because you're watching ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. So this is my circle. These are my people, okay? My Patreon people are my people. I don't consider them as some sort of number, okay? They are my friends. I have built genuine friendships with them. You know, there'll be a time we'll meet, man. We'll meet. And I'm excited. It's just a matter of time. Someone picks up on me. Boom. Or else I'll go on a podcast, a big podcast, where, boom, the channel explodes. Okay, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. When that happens, I'm going to remember all of you. I'm going to remember all of you, man, who supported me so far. Okay? It's going to happen. It's going to be big. Because all the predictions that we have made have come to the point. Everything exact. From Bitcoin bottom, which 15,700, until now, everything precisely have been predicted. Give me one YouTuber who's been so precise. Again, I don't like to be cocky, but I haven't noticed anyone who's been precise and who's been bullish all this time. People give random numbers, okay? I have given precise numbers. G. Augusto, FTM, Mauricio, how high HBAR can reach. PBX. Let's see what is PBX. PBX. Is that the coin you're talking about, brother? It's doing something amazing that I like. It's doing something great, actually, that I like. Bro, this thing could do well. You're saying how high it can go? Well, this is the big resistance that blocking your coin, and it's in this channel. You have to see when it's able to get out of this channel. This is when a real bull run starts for this coin. Okay, so it's stuck in this channel. So, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes and kisses these levels, right? 0.005. A wick could go to 0.005 because I'm bullish for the next few days, and at least until December. November, December is going to be a good month, so I do expect us to go up like that, you know, reach these levels, and then some sort of correction. We have to see if it comes back and stops at these levels. Comes back down to these levels, and then the real bull run starts, you know, for Rebus. Okay, we'll have to see, but for now I would say between 0.004 to 6 would be the level that I would be looking for Perubius. No label. Can you check Saber SBR? Thank you, Shray. You're the best. I'm going to remember you too, brother. Sure, brother. SBR. Is that the coin? What is it called again? SBR stands for what? Bro, when you give me a ticker symbol and the coin's name. Saber, right? SBR. I see it's very small, brother. Small coin, a new coin. Looks like $1.2 million market cap. How much? Oh no, it has a you know, oh, it's an old coin. Okay, let's look at it. Saber.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Let's see how much it dropped. From the top. 99.95%, man. I like that. I like that. I love that. I love that. I love those kind of drops. Almost went to zero. Almost went to zero. I don't know how functional this company is. Okay. But, bro. Just, you know, look at this. There are two ways looking at it. You know, there are coins which create a pattern like this as well. I cannot be precise on it, right? How, see, there are, it's just like fashion. Charts are like fashion. You know, a fashion repeats. There are only few ways to wear a t-shirt, right? I can put a hole in it, you know, make a different color, but a t-shirt is a t-shirt, right? So there are 3 or 4 ways. So just like that, if it crosses this level, like, I believe it'd be tough to cross this level for Saber, but if it cuts through like a knife slices the butter, like if it cuts through like that, boom, goes up like that, then expect a big move for Saber. But this is a big resistance coming from 2 sides. It's like, you know, DP. You're getting fucked from both sides. So right here would go up to this level and come back to this level before, you know, some sort of bull happens. And see this, it would, I think it would stay in this kind of parallel channel before a real bull run, or it would waste some time here. It could possibly, you know, something like this could also happen. You know, you don't know what exactly the bull run would entail for some coins. I don't know about this project, you know, so I'm not sure. You know, I've seen projects create a arc and you would be expecting it to go higher and higher, and it never reaches the potential that according to you this coin deserves, and it might stop here at this level. What is this? A 10x 12x, that's all, right? So you have to see, okay? Not all coins are going to go create a new all-time high. Okay, I've seen many. I've seen this movie 1,000 times. Okay, it goes up to that level and then it comes back down and you're stuck until 2026, 2027. You get stuck into a coin. So just be very careful about coins like these. I like coins which have upward trajectory, okay, which is I'm confident on. They have already gone up and done, you know, they're done with this move, which has gone up and come back down, and they already started the new move upwards like that. I like that. Okay, so just be cautious about, you know, this could be the level that it stops and dies. This could be the top for this coin. Would be 0.012, the level that to here. The wick could go to 0.02. Okay, but yeah, just be aware. As I said, if it slices like butter, you know, right now, if you get an aggressive move that cuts through all the bullshit right there, if it cuts through this, then I would get uber bullish, because then it could go up like a MF, okay, like that. It could go up like that and then come back down. You know, this could be your bull run, okay? Quickest bull run ever. It goes up to these levels, you know, between 786 to 618. If it has to move soon, if it wants to do this. Not all the coins will have the same kind of bull run, okay? So what could happen? It could pump between 618, between 0.12 cents to this level, 25 cents, and then come back down. This will be the shortest bull run, and it creates a triangle pattern like this, where for a long period of time it is stuck in this triangle. It does this, and then the real bull run starts. If it's a good project, okay? If it's a good project, this is also a possibility. So keep in mind, okay? Keep in mind, something like this could also happen. If you ask me, it's just a gamble, bro. You know, it's just a gamble, because it does not have too much history, right? So I can't say, but a move up here would be, look at that. That's 100x, bro. That's 100x, 200x. It's possible. It's possible. GRT. Grudge for whoever who is new. Let's support Shrey for all his hard work and time he gives us. I always make sure I'm commenting after the stream end. Let's help our man building or growing his channel. Thank you, Vraj. That's very nice of you to think about that, man. People are, some of them, man, you know, are lazy. They're not selfish people. Majority of my people are really good, but they're lazy. You know, once the stream is over, you know, they forget, okay? But when you go and comment on any video, what the algorithm does is that people really like this video. When you hit the like, when you comment on the video, there's a lot of activity to this video. The video must be really good. Let me show it to more people. Okay, there are not people behind this. It's computer. It's the algorithm. It's automatic, right? So you have to tell the algorithm, if you go and there's some sort of discussion going on, you know, on the video where people are exchanging thoughts and stuff like that, it would spread more. GRT. Please, can you chart ADA? Okay, GRT Lolo. What? How do you, man, pronounce it? LOL. I should say LOL. Thanks, man. If you're ever in London, drinks on me. Charles, London is like second home for me. I was in London for 4 years. From 2001 till 2005, I was in London. I did my MBA in London. And this is when I came. I was traveling to India for 8 months after that. India and Asia, I was traveling for 8 months before coming to the United States. But yeah, that's me. So London's like second home. I have a lot of good friends in London. London made me tough. The monthly. Yeah, man, $4 or $5. That's all for Cardano. That's it in this bull run. That's where we are going. We would form something like this. Yeah, something like this. A channel where, look at the weekly. Right. Where the price would, you know, a wick would go to $4 or $5. $4 or $5, a wick to $4 or $5. Cardano will make an arc like that. Yeah, between $4 to $5. The wick could go to $5, but $4 to $5. That would be the top for Cardano, I think. Okay, that would be the range. It'll be very difficult for it to break this channel. So how high it goes, I don't know, bro. How it acts, I don't know, but that would be the number that I'll be looking at, between $4 to $5. That'll be the top for Cardano. Yeah, and it could retrace back down to these levels, you know, or lower. Cardano will do well, but it's possible it has maybe 2 or 3 cycles left in it before it goes ballistic. You know, Cardano could do something like this, comes back down, you know, to these levels right there, before going massive up, you know, coming back to the channel like that. Could act this way, okay, where next time when it go down, we go down big. See these levels, come back and kiss these levels right there. 10 cents. Imagine buying Cardano at 10 cents. 8 cents, 10 cents. That would be crazy, right? But yeah, right now I'm bullish about the market. So $4 to $5 Cardano is doable. Roger Pearson. Hi, Raj. Yes, fantastic innings. Roger Pearson, great to finally catch you live. Good times ahead. Yes, Roger. Oh, LUNC broke today, Shray. Looks bullish. Oh, okay. It's possible India versus Australia in finals, man. That'll be exciting. That'll be exciting. Roger, we have home advantage. I know Maxwell is doing really well. He's legend, bro. Legend, you know. No footwork, and he's hitting sixes like, you know, out of the park, bro. It's crazy. Maxwell is amazing. People who don't know what I'm talking about, we are talking about cricket. Right now, there's a cricket World Cup going on in India, and India is playing really well. Again, it's their home turf, but Australia was so far playing poorly, but in the last game, they were down almost 7 wickets for 90 runs or something like that. Ridiculous, okay? And this one guy single-handedly, he scored like a 200. And on the last ball, he hit, you know, a 6 and reached 200. It was incredible. And he was injured. Both his legs, he couldn't walk. The guy couldn't walk. Amazing, amazing. Maxwell, that innings will be remembered by everybody, you know, for a long, long time. And heads off, man. This is his last World Cup, and what a way to go. What a way to go. Amazing, amazing. I think Australia has already won people's heart, and it doesn't matter anything. After this, it doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter. We remember you, Roger. Short time and long time, Roger. Hey, Roger, you gotta go to Colombia, Medellin. Okay, when you come to the United States, you know, or you can go directly to Medellin, Colombia. That's the Thailand for the guys in the US. And it's supposed to be pretty good. I may be going to Medellin, Colombia. You know, Colombia is supposed to be really good. So, yeah. I'm going to go check it out. Yeah, I told a story years ago about my experience when I went to Thailand in 2005. Nobody knew about Thailand, right? And we were backpacking in Thailand. So I go to this club, right? I go to this club like dancing, like dun, 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 dun. All my friends and all these girls come to you at the club. There was a club in Phuket called Tiger. And we went to Tiger. It's one of the best clubs, man. You know, clubs in Europe or anywhere else. You'd be like, fuck this. You know, it's so beautiful. And you go in there, you feel like a star. Cause all the girls are coming to you. I was like, what the fuck? Suddenly I became Tom Cruise or what? You know? So nothing like that had ever happened, right? And these girls are coming at you. And I was like, man, what the fuck? I just realized I'm very handsome. So I'm drinking with my friends, partying. We are doing VIP, you know, getting a bottle. So I'm drunk as fuck, and you know, I'm talking to this girl who speaks very little English, and I was like, what do you want to do? And she was like, you know, like in that Thai accent, whatever, right? So I was like, you want to go to my place? And she was like, yeah, sure. And I was like, what? What? Right? So I told my friends, see ya, motherfuckers, right? So I go, and we do a thing, right? And you know, just in a little while, she starts to, you know, put back her clothes. And I was like, hey, where are you going? And she was like, short time, 500 baht, long time, 1,000 baht. And I was like, what? What? Because I never had an experience with a pro, right? And I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I was like so afraid, bro, you know, because I never had experience a, you know, pro. And I was like, fuck, you know. Then I was thinking, I was like, if you know, kill one person, you get the same amount of years in the prison. You kill two people, the same amount. I was like, it's already done, bro. So I was like, long time. But that's Thailand for you. This was in 2005 where nobody knew about Thailand, okay? So this is when we went, and that was my first experience. But, you know, thank God I got tested and everything. Perfect. I was so scared, so scared. But I always use, you know, a balloon. Hello again, mate. Please look into NTX. So that's why this is the inside joke between us. Long time or short time. So you have to be also careful about the lady boys over there. There was another experience that it was a late night. And me and my buddies, they all had their own girls, and I didn't find anyone good, you know. So it was 5 o'clock in the morning. I was going back on Patong Beach. I was walking back on the middle of the road. You know, I was on the side, but on a sidewalk, right? I was walking back to my hotel, and there's this one girl comes on a scooter, like, you know, a little moped, comes right across, like straight to me, and just throws her scooter and goes on her knees, and she was like, BJ, you know, $20. I was like, what? You know, what? I was like, so drunk. I was like, what are you talking about? And then I realized it was a boy. I was like, what the fuck? And I ran, you know, like that beep. I had flip-flops. I lost my flip-flops. I was young, man. I was like 23 at the time. So yeah, I've never experienced anything like that in my life. And, you know, you have a guy who looks like a girl, has tits, and be like, BJ. And you're drunk and you're looking at it like, hey, whoa. Okay. Let's get back to business, brother. Let's get back to business. What is pumping? But I tell people, you gotta travel, man. Until you travel, how would you know what's out there? And we went in 2005, right after the tsunami. Right after the tsunami. So it was very inexpensive. I went back in 2018 or 19. Things are different now. Anywhere foreigners go, they spoil the vibe because they don't know. They spoil the vibe for other people. So it's good to find new places which are not explored by tourists. Okay, let's look at SLP. What is happening with SLP? Our brother, Smooth Love Potion. I think see it like this, okay, like a triangle, bro. When this thing explodes, it'll be crazy. It'll be crazy. Look at that. At this level, I feel these levels, this crypto stayed very long at these levels, so it'll be tough. I think it's gonna spend a lot of time here in these levels, right there, right? So, it's on the wicks you have to take profit, right? On the wicks you have to take profit on this coin. When it starts moving, bro, it's gonna move like a MF. When this thing starts moving, it'll be like this. Okay? So we are waiting. We could see a pump anytime, any day. What is not looking good is if we spend more time here in this range, we should start moving right away. If we spend any time more days here, then we'll be fucked, and this thing comes back down again like that. Okay, it won't do I think it happens? No, I don't think that happens. It goes to the next level up. It goes to the next level up, that is here. See it going to this level right here, because it has to break right there, this level right here, 0.00495. Come very close. Yeah. So expect a pump. How much? A pump to almost 100% pump in Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion between 90 to 100% pump in SLP. Roger Pearson, I'm good at distracting you, Shrey. Yeah, it's happened. It's just fun times, man. You have so many stories when you do these things with your buddies. And I went with my childhood buddies. Imagine the time that we had, like in 2005. A 23-year-old don't have too much money. You know what I mean? Because I worked so hard in London. I had to pay for my school. I had to pay for my rent. And yeah, it was crazy. So I worked really hard in London 4 years, and then I was backpacking. I was backpacking India. I was backpacking Thailand, and we didn't know anything about Thailand. So there was a time when I was in India, I used to be in this organization called Isaac, and a guy, he was older. He was like 24 at the time. I was like 18, 19, and he came from Peru. And in that program, I had to let somebody stay at my house and show them around and stuff like that, and where kids from India go to Europe or South America. So it's an internship program, foreign exchange students program. So this kid, his name was Jorge George. So he came and he went to Thailand for a month while he was visiting India, and he comes back and we became really good friends. He came back and we had a window AC. The AC in India at the time used to hang out outside window. So he comes and bangs on my AC, and he was like, Shrey. I was like, what happened, man? What happened? He was like, sell this fucking AC, go to Thailand. I was like, why is he saying that? I was like, before you die, you gotta go to Thailand. I was like, this was way back, okay? I'm talking about 1999, 2000, okay? So I had this thing in my mind that I have to visit Thailand because Jorge said that Thailand, So I come back, I work really hard, 4 years in London. And then I come back, I save some money, and I was doing well. Okay, so I came back to India before I went to United States. So I was traveling. So I told my friends, I was like, guys, we should go to Thailand. And we didn't do much research. Internet was not prevalent at the time in 2004, 2005. So we don't know anything about Thailand. I was like, my friend told me, go to Thailand, go to Phuket once before you die. So, you know, we decided to go to Thailand. And bro, the experience that we had, it was crazy, crazy. Love it though. You know, these experiences make you who you are. So travel, man, travel. Once you see a lot of people, especially in the United States, you should travel, man. You should go to Southeast Asia. You should go to South America. It's a different world. Once you see, you are like, you know, most of people here in the United States are like a little frog in a pond. A lot of people don't even have a passport. It's not that expensive, man. Go and stay at hostels. Hostel costs $20 a night. Okay, $30 a night. So go to these places are very cheap. Find a cheap ticket, you know, and go. Just go, leave. Because in the future, it'll be very tough to travel. These motherfuckers are coming up with carbon credits. Once carbon credits get implemented, travel will be only for rich people. You know, if you look at World Economic Forum, if you look at trying to fly right now, it shows what emissions, the flight is having emissions, okay? It never used to show that before. Right now, when you go, it shows how much carbon emissions a flight has. So it's a way you should understand that's what's going to happen. Because you will have a credit score, like a score. It's a carbon credit score, which you get, okay, you get 2,000 carbon credits to spend. After that, the government will fine you, will tax you. That's how I see the future. So travel will be very difficult in the future because you will have a carbon credit. So right now, there's no carbon credit, nothing. No score like that. So travel is cheap. So travel as much as you can till you can so that you don't have any regrets. After that, travel will be for rich people. Super rich, ultra rich people will be the only ones who will be traveling. It'll be because they want you confined. They don't want you to see the world. Because when you see the world, you have an experience. You're like, what the fuck? Everything I've been told is a lie. So it opens up your eyes, right? So they want to close that gap. No more travel. Okay. Shrey, have you been to Vietnam? I'm going to Vietnam next year, bro. You're going to have some fun. Vietnam's good, bro. Vietnam's good. It's cheap as well, bro. You know, scenic places on the beach is nice hotels for $50, $100 overlooking ocean. Some really beautiful islands. You get really good deals in Vietnam. Plus, you get whatever you were, you know, thinking. My man, Shrey. What's up, buddy? Just getting home. BC Drums. How are you, brother? I thought of getting a member on your Patreon. Still places free. You show here already great infos on Patreon. Even more. Also about some gems. Sure, brother. You know, Patreon is right here. The link is on... I opened my Patreon because I was thinking of going on one podcast. It hasn't materialized yet, but you know, sooner or later I'll be on it and I'll be flooded. So get in while you can. Here's the Patreon. Yeah, it has good information. You know, you check it out. People who are Patreon, just let who wants to know? Hello again wants to know how's the Patreon. Bro, I put everything in detail, you know, what I'm expecting. So it's peace of mind, right? Peace of mind. And I'm pretty active on it. Sometimes I go away on YouTube, but I am active on Patreon because, you know, the money that I make is on my trading. That's how I live, right? So I have to be careful, or, you know, I have to be focused on the market. YouTube is important, you know, you guys are important, but, you know, I have to see Patreon. These people have been helping me for a long time. That's how I pay my little small bills, because I am rich on paper. I'm rich on paper. I'm a broke motherfucker. Everybody in crypto is broke, okay? Until you cash out. Till then, you know, all you guys are having jobs. Not me. I do this full time. So I have to sustain, right? So you have to understand, you know, you're helping your buddy out. You know, it's not like excruciating, like $100, $300 is not too much, you know, not too much for the kind of information you're getting. Nowhere online you get. I don't think I've been in groups. You know, I know what they give, and you know, it's crazy the amount of information that I have, and the predictions is just crazy. What were you thinking, Shrey? BTC, look at that, man. Anytime we could jump up, anytime a big ass candle to 38, 38.5, you could see that candle. Yep. Exciting times, man. Exciting times. I'm really, really happy. I'm so pumped, man. So pumped for what's coming. Again, I feel there is, see this, how we came out of this channel. And I was talking to one of my Patreons. It was late night, around 1 a.m. And we have become very good friends. And I was talking to him. I was like, Bitcoin was somewhere around here, okay, $36,000. I was like, hey, so what's going to happen? I was like, hey, I showed him this channel. I was like, we are getting out of the channel, bro. We'll go somewhere in this range, dump back down on this channel, and then keep on going up. That's what I expect. And the next day he calls me up. He was like, hey, Shrey, hey, this is happening. I told him exactly, Bitcoin Cash, you know, BCH, this dump. While we were talking, I said, expect a lower low. Bitcoin Cash was right here, you know, hanging out. This is Bitcoin Cash chart against Bitcoin. And we were discussing that. I was like, I expect this thing to go down, create a lower low like that. Lower than this level, and then I get bullish on Bitcoin Cash again. So what happened? Look, it went. It's like, you motherfucker. How did you get that? I was like, it's ShrayTV, baby. Yep. So here.
You want something else, I agree, but that's where you belong. No point bending backwards for me, I'm just shifting along. There's no use holding on. If you love it, you set it free. Just let it go. Move.
See this channel? If you do it a weekly, it even shrinks. Okay. So you know what I mean. I'll be the top. Once we come in this range, boy oh boy, I'll be very careful. Because we won't be able to break it. We won't be able to break it. I expect a big dump. Big daddy dump. From there, Bitcoin Cash nosedive to this level. Okay? Nosedive. Right now I'm bullish. We go up between 20 to 22%. 20 to 22% we go up. So in dollar terms, we are talking about, we're at 240 right now. So 22% from here. Yeah, 22% puts us 310. 20%. I'll say, yeah, between 290 to 310 again as my range, and then I get bearish on Bitcoin Cash. Hi Shrey, how did the guy shorting ETH do? Oh, ETH had 2085. Yeah, man. We were discussing about the short. It's called Saifu, S-A-I-F-U, Saifu. He did a short on Bitcoin. That guy got effed so bad. So bad. Oh my God. It's crazy. People, he would have sleepless nights. He had a really bad short position on ETH and Bitcoin. He must be fucked on the ETH. It's like big time. Yeah, I'll show you his short position in a second. You know, it's crazy. I posted it on my Patreon. Look at that. This was a short position. His ID is Sifu, Sifu.eth. Sifu is no longer Sifu. Look at that. That was the price, 20,070. was his liquidation price. Crazy. Can you see it? Okay. And for Bitcoin, it was 39,362. It's going to get liquidated on both positions. Already got liquidated on ETH. Free, what's going on, Shrey? Good, brother. I'm really happy, very excited. Next few days are going to be good because I do expect there's New Year's. Every time there's Chinese New Year or Indian New Year, things become very, very bullish. In November, we have a festival, Indian festival. I'm Indian, so you can wish me a happy Diwali. So, you know, it's a new year. It's like Christmas. These next 2-3 days is Christmas time. It's the Diwali. It's a festival of lights and money time. Money. A lot of people buy crypto, buy gold, buy silver. All the investments are done during these 2-3 days because it's considered very auspicious. Very auspicious. Good luck. Next 2-3 days, good luck. Shrey, sorry, can we look at Luna? Yeah, sure, man. I have Luna, L-U-N-C. I have some L-U-N-C. Look at the scribble I have here. Bro, look at the scribble. You see the scribble? Fuck. What are we doing here? The price came to a scribble price. Look at that. I would ask from here. Luna has to go a long, long way, brother. So you better be going up quick because I have high expectations for Luna. It'll be like the meme coin of this cycle, Luna. Okay? People will not realize why the fuck is Luna going up. It's a dead coin, especially the old Luna. L-U-N-C. Why is it going up? A lot of people are going to get baffled by the fact that this dead coin is going up. All the dead coins, FTX, coin like this, will be going up. This has to start moving, man. This has to start moving up. You know, again, next level would be 0.001 would be the level where we could make another high and then consolidate. So it could be, you know, how long we waste time here, I don't know, bro. But that's the level that I would get cautious, you know, 0.001. So that's a pump. What is a pump? That would be a pump of, yeah, 15x, 16x pump from here. Between 14 to 15x pump. You know, how long the wicks go, man. Wicks can go to 0.03. You know, I don't know. See how long the wick here was. It won't show the real wick here, but the wick could go long. 2 cents, 0.002, 0.001. Okay. Then after that, it collapses back again, comes back down, wastes some time before the final run up. Okay. Where do I think the final run? Man, the final run could be, could be again. This is a gamble that we take, right? It could 12 cents, yeah. That would be the level, final level that I'll be looking at for this coin. Crazy, right? But yeah, it's possible. That'll be the level. But right now, 0.0091 would be the level. It'll get stuck. That's how I see it act. Go up like that, waste some time here, then come back down like that. Okay, but this is the range I'm looking at. Patience. Again, it's a gamble. All these coins are gambles. I bought freaking when the shit was down like that. I played a gamble, worked out well for me. I bought like here. They don't even show it here. It went almost zero. When it went close to zero, this is when I bought. And I was lucky, okay? It's not like, I'm some genius who bought it that price. It was the right timing. I was looking at it and this thing dropped to that level. And me and my nephew were sitting here drinking. And I was like, man, let's buy this shit. Let's put $500. And yeah, that $500, $600 went to $45,000. Crazy. Hey, Shray, no GRT. I posted GRT just a few days ago, brother. My brother from another mother. GRT. See what I said about GRT. There's always a chance GRT could come for a double bottom. I don't know. I was gonna act, brother. Are we in this channel? Turn back down like that and then go up. I don't know, but this will be the level. I'll be very careful at 39 cents. It could come back down all the way back down, okay, like that. Come back on this channel. I wouldn't get bullish on this coin right now, okay, not right now, because I think it has one more low left in this coin. It could be something like this, okay? Seeing this pattern play out, that's why I don't get happy when I see things like that. It could possibly, dump here like that and then go back up and then boom, one more dump. It's possible like that, like how Bitcoin acted. Something like this could possibly be in the pictures too, or maybe it's trying to do that here. This is a weekly chart, so it is possibly could be doing that and then coming back down like that. Okay, it's possible. Not yet bullish on GRT, completely bullish. I would get bullish in after May. Whatever it does, it'll be time to take profit. Until whatever it does from now until December, majority coins is taking profit. So how far it goes, man, if you're lucky, it goes up to these levels, 23, maybe to this level. I don't know, but I'm not bullish yet on GRT, not super uber bullish. If you're lucky, this could happen. Prove me wrong and go to this level. Right. But any level we go, I think we come back down. And, it could be creating something like this. Going to a new all-time high and then, coming back down like that. But, yeah, I don't think we are ready yet. But how the cycle plays out, we have to see. If we are able to break this channel, then this is the level we are going next before the next dump. This is the major level right here. See this? Go to this level between 40 cents to 53 cents. Maybe 60 cents would be the level for GRT. If we are able to break this channel, we slice through this channel and go up, that would be the range. Okay. Crazy. Much appreciated. Sure. So Variety Television, Link, bro, between $18 to $20. Link's not gonna stop between $18 to $20. Okay, this is where I think it's gonna pause between $18 to $20. I've looked at Link. All the numbers on the Patreon as well. Link, we got into Link long time ago on the Patreon. Guys, I've been long here. I will see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, exciting things. Expect good pumps for the next 2 days. Okay, happy Diwali and have a good time. Love you all. Take care. Adios, amigos.